Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your journal entry to the Nomo application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should add your Touch ID to open or unlock the application. Then click on the home button at the top, scroll down to the journal section and tap on it. You need to wait a few seconds till it's loaded in. After that, you should tap on the screen. So that you are going to be able to add your new journal entry. Click on this white box and type in your journal entry text that you want to add. And if you are done, click on the Save Entry button down below, that's the blue button. And here you are going to find your journal entry with today's date, so you will be able to check it out anytime. And if you want to add a new one, just tap on the screen and you will be able to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.